Welcome to 6290 Hall Court in Coopersburg, PA. It's a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath with brand new siding, brand new windows, and a really nice fenced-in backyard, perfect for dogs. What do you think, French fry?
I love it.
As soon as you enter the house, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the large living room, dining room combo, beautiful hardwood floors, and nice wood molding, leading all the way over to your kitchen, half bath, laundry room, and then you can head outside. Now let's head upstairs to the 3 bedrooms and full bathroom.